Okay, welcome back. As usual, today we'll start with the US dollar index. Again, it's been trading comfortably above 106, which is a huge, huge level. We did have some announcements last night, also that quite hawkish from Logan, just warning against aggressive rate cuts. So the dollar index did see a bit of an increase there. Yeah, I mean, even looking at stochastics or MACD, RSI, it's still looking quite bullish, very very bullish. We've got some key support at 105 to 105.50, and some strong resistance at 106.52 and 107. 107 is the next psychological level. We've talked about those a couple of times. That's just a number everyone in the market looks at. Again, look, lots of US dollar strength still. I would not short this without caution. I would also be careful longing it. Regardless of what position you're in, just be aware. Last night's comments were a bit hawkish, warning against the rate cuts. Um, but yeah, just be aware of those levels. Again, regardless of what your trading strategy is or what you've done, and yeah, just be cautious trading this. Alrighty, let's take a look at gold. So gold is trading at around 25.75, 2 month low. We're back below the 2600 level, which is huge. Couldn't quite keep itself above there. Again, this is all US dollar strength. Again, US dollar strength. We've got the European tensions. Unfortunately, some people, some individuals, some institutions, a lot of people in the eurozone are very unhappy with the potential tariffs that Trump could impose. So we've got that uncertainty that's also giving the US dollar strength as well, and it makes sense why gold has gone down a little bit here. Again, entirely US dollar strength. So some key levels to look at here: 26.77.90. That's the 9 day moving average. And we've got 25.64, which is the 100 day moving average. And we've got 25.41, which is also another big level. Um, yeah, again, US dollar strength entirely. But this is a bit of a pullback. Some people may be looking to long here, others may be looking to short. Either way, trade with caution. Just be aware of those levels there if you're looking for any targets. Alrighty, let's move on to something a little more domestic. The Aussie dollar. Again, look, it's weakened against the US dollar, much like everything else. But we've now got the added tension with China as well, the uncertainty with China, which will greatly affect the Australian dollar. We are correlated with China. Um, and the inflation data that we've got as well. So inflation's cooling off. So rate hikes aren't coming anytime soon. Rate cuts aren't also coming anytime soon. It looks like, well, from the comments anyway. So again, US dollar strength over time. Initial targets for a lot of people were 70 cents for the Australian dollar. That's just not the case anymore. The Trump election has changed that, along with changing commodity prices. So lower copper and iron ore prices affect the Australian dollar as well greatly. So just again looking here at the chart, we've got some key levels at 65.83. That's the 9 day moving average, and 6,600. That is a key psychological levels. And we've got another level at 6,500, also another psychological level, and the April low 644.1. So if you're trading the Australian dollar, just keep an eye on those levels as well, and also the RSI, 14-day RSI, which is around like 35. Um, yeah, again, lots of US dollar strength. We may see a rebound potentially, but yeah, just a lot of uncertainty with our China counterpart, and just commodity prices as well, along with a very strong US dollar. Okay, and we are done for the day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Go through a couple more analysis, and hopefully your trading sessions go well.